bad tack, but gotta get the ass on the rail, Laura. Nice! Not quite enough flat. The battery said it was full when it was not recording. The moment you press record, it went to 0. So I put the other batteries in and now it says it's full. Stuck on the gypsy, but he rolled pretty hard. Nico's rolling hard, he's just not getting those flattened down. Waiting as he goes through some big waves. Nico's big roll. That's how everybody should be rolling. We just gotta get him across the boat a bit faster. Hey Nico, need you to roll a little earlier. You're behind. What? You're a little behind John. But you're doing a really good job of rolling hard. There you go. Little oversteer, but that was fine. Not enough roll. Definitely not enough roll. There you go.